Hello grade 5, today we will continue our revision sheet. We solve from 41 to 50, so let's go. Number 41, we want to find the difference in simplest form. We make 9 minus 3 over 5. So what we make? We transform the 9 in a fraction, so we write 9 over 1. Minus, we transform the mixed number in fraction, so we make 3 times 5 plus 3 over 5. So 9 over 1 remain the same. 3 times 5 equal 15, so is equal 15 plus 3 over 5. So the difference become 9 over 1 minus 15 plus 3 over 5. 15 plus 3 is equal 18. So the difference, it will be 9 over 1 minus 18 over 5. Now we write the times table of 1 and the times table of 5. We find that the smallest common number is 5. So you write 5 on denominator. So we transform the old fraction in new fraction with 5 on denominators. So 9 over 1 become 5 divided by 1 equal 5. 5 times 9 equal 45. So the new fraction is 45 over 5. The second fraction, 18 over 5. 5 divided 5 equal 1. 1 times 18 equal 18. So the second fraction remains the same, 18 over 5. Now we can make the difference, so we have 45 over 5 minus 18 over 5. 5 on denominator remain the same, so we write 5 down. Up we will make 45 minus 18. 45 minus 18 is equal 27. So the result is 27 over 5. But we don't want the numerator bigger than the denominator. So what we make? We make long division. We make 27 divided by 5. 27 divided by 5 is equal 5. 5 times 5 is equal 25, so the remainder is 2. So we have the three numbers, 5, 5 and 2. So you write the 5 alone, the other 5 down, and 2 up. So the result is 5, 2 over 5. So the answer is D. Number 42. We want again to find the difference. So we have 8, 3 over 4 minus 2, 11 over 16. We make the difference of the whole number. 8 minus 2 equals 6. And then we make this difference of the fraction, 3 over 4 minus 11 over 16. We write the times table of 4 and 16. We found that the smallest number in common is 16, so you write 16 on denominators. We transform the old fraction in new fraction with 16 on denominator, so we have 16 divided 4 equal 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. So the first fraction become 12 over 16. The second fraction becomes 16 divided 16 equal 1. 1 times 11 equal 11. So the second fraction remains the same. So we have the difference of 12 over 16 minus 11 over 16. 12 minus 11 is equal 1. 16 remain the same on denominator. So we have that we bring the whole number that we found is 6. The fraction that we found is 1 over 16. We put one near of the other, so is 6, 1 over 16. So the result is 6, 1 over 16. So the answer is B. We don't make number 43. The number is very bigger, and so we don't make it. It will not be in the exam. We skip it. Number 44. Find the product in simplest form. You have 1 over 2 times 3 over 8. We said that in the multiplication we make numerator times numerator over denominators times denominators. So we make 1 times 3 over 2 times 8. 1 times 3 is equal 3. 2 times 8 is equal 16. So the result is 3 over 16. So the answer is B. Number 45. We want again to find the product in simplest form. 1 over 4 times 2, 3 over 5. 1 over 4 times, we transform the mixed number in fractions. So we have 5 times 2 plus 3 over 5. 1 over 4, we write it as it is. 5 times 2 is equal 10. So the mixed number becomes 10 plus 3 over 5. 10 plus 3 is equal 13. So we have the product 1 over 4 times 13 over 5. Now we make numerator times numerator over denominators times denominator. So we make 13 times 1 over 4 times 5. 13 times 1 is equal 13. 4 times 5 is equal 20. So the result is 13 over 20. So the answer is D. Number 46. 4 times 5 over 8. We write 4 as a fraction, so it's 4 over 1 times 5 over 8. We make the product of the number up over the product of the number down. So 4 times 5 over 1 times 8. 4 times 5 is equal 20, 1 times 8 is equal 8. So the result is 20 over 8. But we don't want the numerator bigger than the denominator. So what we make the long division. 20 divided by 8 is equal 2. And so we have 20 minus 16 is equal 4. So we have the three number 8, 2, and 4. So the result is 2, 4 over 8. But 4 is 4 times 1 and 8 is 4 times 2. So we have 4 up and down. So we can divide it by 4 up and down. So if we make the division, 4 divided 4 is equal 1, 8 divided 4 is equal 2. So the result is 2, 1 over 2. So the answer is C. Number 47. Find the product in simplest form. 3 1 over 5 times 2 1 over 3. We transform the two mixed numbers into fractions. So we have 3 times 5 plus 1 over 5 times 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3. 3 times 5 is equal 15. Plus 1 is equal 16. So the first mixed number becomes 16 over 5. The second one is 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the second is 7 over 3. Now we make the product, so we make 16 times 7 over 5 times 3. 16 times 7 is equal 112. 5 times 3 is equal 15. 112 is bigger than 15. So we make the long division. So we make 112 divided by 15. We found that is equal 7 with remainder of 7. So the result is 7 over 15. So the result is 7 over 15, and so the answer is A. Number 48. Find the product in simplest form. 1 times 2 times 5 over 1 over 2 times 5 over 11. So we make 1 times 5 over 2 times 11. 1 times 5 is equal 5. 2 times 11 is equal 22. So the result is 5 over 22. So the answer is D. Number 49. Find the product in simplest form. We have 1 2 over 5 times 2 over 7. So we transform the first mixed number in fraction. 1 times 5 plus 2 over 5. 1 times 5 is equal 5 plus 2 is equal 7. So the first mixed number is 7 over 5 times 2 over 7. We have two ways. The first way is this one. So we have the 7 up and down, so we can cross it. So we have all up 1 times 2, 5 times 1. So 2 over 5. The second way is to make the product of the numerators and the product of the denominators. So we have 7 times 2 over 5 times 7. 7 times 2 is equal 14, 5 times 7 is equal 35. We know that 14 is 7 times 2 and 35 is 7 times 5. So we have 7 and 7. So we can divide it up and down by 7. So we make 14 divided 7 equal 2, 35 divided 7 equal 5. So the result is 2 over 5. With the two ways we have the same result. So the result is 2 over 5, so the answer is B. The last exercise for today, we have 3 over 4 times 2 over 5. We transform the two mixed number in fraction and then we make their product. So we have 1 times 4 plus 3 over 4 times 5 times 2 plus 2 over 5. 1 times 4 is equal 4, 4 plus 3 is equal 7. So we have 7 over 4. The second is 5 times 2 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. So we have 12 over 5. Now we can make the product 7 over 4 times 12 over 5. 7 times 12 is equal 84. 4 times 5 is equal 20. So the result is 84 over 20. 84 is bigger than 20. So we don't want it. So we make division. 84 divided by 20. 84 divided by 20 is equal 4 with remainder 4. So the new fraction, the result is 4 over 20. 4 is 4 times 1. 20 is 4 times 7. So we have 4 up and down. So we can divide it by 4 up and down. If we divide it by 4, we have 4 divided 4 equal 1. 20 divided 4 equal 5. So the result is 4, 1 over 5. So the answer is, here we don't have the result, the book make a mistake, so we transform number C, that was 4, 1 over 2, we transform in 4, 1 over 5. And the answer, it will be C. Good study and bye.